Boost your vocabulary. Cooking verbs in English. Let's begin. Pinch. Pinch. Add a pinch of salt for flavor before serving. Sift. Sift. Remember to sift the flour before mixing the batter. Break. Break. Break the chocolate into small chunks for melting. Spread. Spread. Spread the jam evenly on each slice of toast. Fry. Fry. In hot oil, fry the chicken until golden. Drain. Drain. After cooking, be sure to drain the pasta. Pour. Pour. Over the pasta, gently pour the sauce. Knead. Knead. Knead the bread dough until it becomes smooth and elastic. Melt. Melt. In a pan, melt the butter over low heat. Chop. Chop. To add flavor, chop the onions finely. Squeeze. Squeeze. For a tangy taste, squeeze fresh lemon juice. Slice. Slice. Slice the tomatoes thinly for a colorful salad garnish. Peel. Peel. Ensure to peel the potatoes before boiling. Roll out. Roll out. Roll out the pastry dough to line the pie dish. Mix. Mix. Mix the eggs and sugar until well combined. Mash. Mash. Mash the boiled potatoes with a fork. Grate. Grate. She grates the cheese for her pasta dish. Grill. Grill. Cook until done by grilling the burgers. Roast. Roast. Roast the chicken until golden and crispy. Blend. Blend. Blend the fruits and yogurt for a smoothie. Bake. Bake. Bake the cookies until lightly golden. Add. Add. Gradually add the sugar to the mixture. Sip. Sip. Slowly sip the soup to savor the flavor. Sauté. Sauté. In olive oil, sauté the onions until soft. Boil. Boil. Before adding the pasta, boil the water. Steam. Steam. Steam the broccoli until tender yet crisp. Toast. Toast. Toast the bread until golden and crispy. Put. Put the dirty dishes in the dishwasher. Peel. Peel. Before serving, peel the oranges. Dice. Dice. Dice the carrots into small pieces for soup. Thanks for watching. If you want to boost your vocabulary, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more valuable content. See you in our upcoming videos.